transform trig graphs. All we're going to do is we're going to do some transformations on trig graphs. So sketch y equals sine of x minus 30 between 0 and 360. X minus 30 is in the brackets with the x. I'm messing with the x. I'm going to go upwards 30. So I can start there going up and down. And then I'll fix it by drawing the little bit back in. Label interesting points on the graph. We know the max and minimum are going to be 1 and minus 1. The peak of the graph, the maximum point, is going to be the 90 moved up 30. So that's going to be 120. Same again with the others. I'm going to come back down at 210. The next one's going to be 300 for the bottom point. The first crossing point was 30. We should have already written that in. We can also work out that the y-intercept is going to be when x equals 0. So that's sine of minus 30. Sine of minus 30 is just minus half. So we can write that one in as well. Another example, y equals cos x plus 1. I'm not in the bracket with the x. I'm not messing with the x. I'm messing with the y. So I'm just going to go upwards 1. So I can draw the cos graph in, all translated upwards 1. So that's going to have a maximum of 2, minimum of 0. 1's going to be in that middle point. I know my minimum point is 180. My maximums are at 0 and 360. So that's about as much as I can draw on that graph. Another one that we can do, y equals 2 cos x. Again, I'm not messing with my x. I'm not in my bracket with my x. I'm outside, I'm messing with the y. So 2 cos 180, I'm just timesing everything by 2. So this time it's the cos graph going up to 2 and down to minus 2. Looking at my range, it's minus 180 to 180. So it looks like this. Interesting points to note are the crossing point 90, minimum point 180, minus 90, minus 180. Last one we'll look at, y equals sine of 3x. Now I am messing with my x. Now I'm next to my x. So a 3x means that I've got to fit 3 times as many sine graphs in as I would normally have. So in this case, I'm going to squash it by 3. If I squash it by 3, all I do is all my interesting points I divide by 3. Easy ones to put on. Middle one's going to be 180, top one's going to be 360. The first one, where it would normally have come back down, would have been the 180, is now going to be 60. Then we've got the 120 and the 240, and everything's going up in 60s. I could label all my maximum minimums at 30, 90, 150, but it becomes cluttered. My maximum minimum values on my y-axis are still going to be 1 minus 1, and that's about as much as I can label. Thank you.